Hi, welcome to ERPNext tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to set up operations and workstations in the manufacturing module of ERPNext. In a manufacturing process, the raw materials are processed through various operations until are converted into finished item. For example, in the garments manufacturing industry, processes like fabric cutting, stitching, washing and packing can be considered as operations. Let's add an operation. This way, you can add all the operations. Let's also check how to add new workstations. For one operation, you can have multiple workstations. You should add each workstation in your ERPNext account. Enter workstation name. In the Workstation Master, you can add per hour costing for various expenses like electricity and labor, etc. Also, you can define working hours of that workstations for capacity planning. Production jobs will be assigned in these hours only. Also, you can select holiday list for this workstation, so that no production job is allocated on a day added in the holiday list. You can also set default workstation in the Operation Master. Once you have added all the operations and workstations, you can use them when creating bill of materials and production order for the manufacturing item. Selecting operations and workstation will also help in capacity planning and in allocation of production jobs to workstations. Hope you found this video tutorial useful. For more details and free sign up, check ERPNext.com. Thanks for watching.